up, guys? David here with another video. So today we're gonna be finally we're gonna paint the whole carpet in the car using the vinyl and fabric paint. But first we gotta vacuum the car because it's really dirty. So this is how I'm gonna do it. Let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's really dirty. I washed these mats already, so they're technically clean, but they just have, you know, dust and dirt and shit like that. But I'm not gonna wash them again because it'll take forever to dry. But this is what it looks like right now. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint these mats just yet. I'm gonna paint the carpet first, and if I have any leftover paint, I'll do the mats. Maybe I'm thinking about doing the seat too, and the back seat as well. But for now, check that out. It's pretty dirty. But that's how it looks right now with no paint. I painted that seat. It came out pretty good. So let's vacuum this real quick. Maybe take this seat out and let's get painting. Actually, before we do any vacuuming, we gotta remove those bolts to remove the seat. You guys already know. Just one there, one more there, and one more there, and then 4. So there should be 4 total. Let's get them out. Okay, so the one we're using is a 14. Those are out. Take them out. Just slide the seat forward. Now it should be able to come out. Okay, the passenger seat is out. Now, might as well, since we're here, let's take this little back piece right here. You just pull this little black thing right there, and it just pops out. Should be one there, one there. So actually we can probably just leave it like that. Yeah, just leave it like that. Okay, now we can go ahead and vacuum the car. Okay, here we go. I bought this little vacuum for 30 bucks, and it's pretty good. It works real good. Okay, so everything's nice and vacuum. Got no dirt, no dust, nothing. I went and go ahead and tape whatever I don't want to get paint on. You don't have to. I mean, this thing is gonna get painted eventually, but not today. So I'm just gonna tape that and tape all of this just a little bit. You don't have to be perfect. I mean, it's almost the same, you know. This is gonna get all painted one day, so I really don't care. I covered the seat belt, and this is what I'm using. So with that, you got all the things covered. Oh, actually, let me cover that too, and then we can go ahead and get painted. Okay, so here we go. Here, I got my windows open. I got my hatch open. Make sure you got, you know, you open all your doors or your windows or whatever, and make sure you wear some type of respirator or mask, just like the one I'm wearing right now. Should be fine. You can wear a bandana or something. At least you wear something, that way you're not breathing all that freaking paint. So all right, it's time to paint.
You
Okay guys, so we are done. I only put one coat. I used a full can for this section right here. So I used just one really heavy weight or heavy coat, and it came out pretty good. I mean, on the camera you can't really see, but it's pretty dark. That's only one heavy coat, but I think it's perfect because I only bought 2 cans. So then I'm just gonna leave it like that, let it dry, and now we can do the other side. I'm not sure if I'm gonna remove this seat. I really don't want to, so, but I already painted underneath the seat. If you guys remember, when I did that seat, I painted that section, that way I wouldn't have to take it off. But we'll see what we have to do right now. Let's jump to the other side. But I think it came out pretty good. Maybe in the future I'm gonna be doing this and all of this stuff. Just touch it up, make the car brand new again. Okay, let's move to the other side. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. When I painted this seat, I painted, when I took it out, you see, I painted underneath the seat a little bit. That way I wouldn't have to take it all off. The hardest part is gonna be trying to paint this section, but it should be fine. And then all we have to do is this section right here, and then we should be done for today. I don't think I have enough paint to do the mats, but at least the carpet will be painted. So now I gotta mask whatever I don't want it to get painted, tuck all those wires, and let's get painting. Okay, last section. Oop, gotta change the tip. I had to change it because that was easier to get that back part, which is all done now. Okay. There we go. All right, check that out guys. I think it looks pretty freaking good. Looks nice and dark, even though on the camera it looks kind of gray, but it looks pretty dark now. Got both sides done, back, and I still have a little bit leftover paint I don't think it's gonna be enough, but I already vacuumed the seat. I'm gonna do a little, just see how far I can. It's only a little bit left. And there you have it, guys. If you guys want to do this to your own cars, your 240 or any car, it's pretty simple. I see a lot of videos that they use like a little brush to kind of move the paint. I didn't have to use it or do that, and it came out pretty good. But it's all up to you. But it's super easy, you know. It's just you're just spraying painting the carpet. Not that hard. So if you guys want to do that to your car, just go to AutoZone or Riley's and spend maybe, I don't know, I use 2 cans for both sides, so you might want to get an extra, you know, just in case you missed a spot or whatever. But with 2 cans should be enough. But just get 3 just in case. And then I had a little bit left over to do one of the mats, but I'm gonna have to go buy another can to do it, finish that one, and then the back ones. And I'm probably gonna be doing all of this too, like the ones and the doors. But this is it for now, guys. If you guys like the video, please comment down below, like it, give it a thumbs up, and just stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.